Hello guys, today we'll be making for you a healthy drink, a very healthy drink, refreshing as well. It detoxifies and it helps with weight loss. Woohoo! Weight loss, did you hear that? That's a magic word these days, a buzzword. A pineapple cucumber juice. Very healthy juice this is. So we're going to show you how that goes down. Stick around. Okay guys, here are our ingredients that we're using today. It's the skin of one pineapple. We peeled it and saved it for this purpose. This is to teach you that you don't have to throw out your pineapple skin when you've peeled it and had your pine. You can reserve it to make some juice, some healthy juice like we'll be making today with this cucumber. Of course, you can make cucumber by itself with ginger, but we're combining it today with the pineapple. And there you have your ginger and cucumber, 2 cucumbers. So let's get into it, guys. So here we're going to put our pineapple skin to boil. All right, that water is quite hot. It's not fully boiling as yet. Doesn't matter. Just going to dump that in just like that. And this is the skin from one pine. I'm going to leave it to boil for 15 minutes. Yes, and this is to release the flavors from the skin into the water, right? So we're going to cover it. Not completely, but like that, and leave it there. Okay guys, while the pineapple skin is being boiled, we're going to just slice our cucumber in the meantime. I always like to take the ends off. All right. Okay guys, 15 minutes have passed. This is smelling so good. You can smell that rich pineapple flavor in it. Yes. So we're going to just remove this from the stove and cool it down and move to our next step. Okay guys, this has cooled down quite a bit and now I'm going to just strain it off. See those little pieces that are trapped in the strainer? This is why you want to ensure that you strain it off. Okay, there you go. Good job. Wow, look at that. You should be able to smell this. It smells so strong. And again, guys, this was one whole pineapple, the skin of one whole pineapple. And I used just about 2.5 cups of water. And by the way, guys, this would make an awesome Mother's Day drink, a Mother's Day treat. Okay, guys, this pineapple water that we have strained off is fully cooled down now, so we're going to just pour it into our blender. That's it right there. Add our cucumber. Perhaps I should have put in the cucumber already before pouring the pineapple juice, but never mind. That's all right. There we go. Now we're adding our ginger that we chopped. And cover to blend. We're going to blend this until it is completely smooth. All right, ready, steady, go. Now guys, it's halfway through the blending, almost smooth now, but I'd like to add my sugar now. I'm adding just 1 cup of sugar. Of course, you can do this to taste. All right, you can add our omit sugar. You can also use some honey or even cane juice to sweeten. And I'm going to use a lime, right? Because, why am I doing this? I want to add that little extra refreshing flavor to it. Of course, it's optional, okay? Optional, you add it or not. There we go. All right, how about that? Great, fabulous. This is a really refreshing and healthy drink on any summer day, and if you live in the tropics, believe me, every day is summer. So this drink can be had right throughout the year. Not to mention the health benefits, yes, that we'll outline for you in the description. You know, ginger is very good for settling the stomach. We added some ginger, lime has vitamin C, and the cucumber and the pineapple, those are also rich in nutrients. Now we're going to cover it once more and blend it properly, okay? Okay guys, here we go. Now if you don't mind the fibers, you can simply go ahead and serve this up cool as it is, but we are going to opt to strain it off, okay? There we go, here we go. Awesome. Wow, this smells so good. I can smell the whole blend with the ginger, the cucumber, and the pineapple. Just make this, it just makes this perfect little smell. Smells are so fabulous, so refreshing. Here we go now. See that? These are the fibers that are left when we strain it off like this. But like I said to you, if you like it with the fibers, you can keep it. If you want to maintain that, no problem. I'm not pressing too hard into this, just moving it around a little because I don't want to squeeze the fibers through eventually. I also have a thin cloth that if your strainer is not so fine like this one, you can use a very thin cloth to strain it. Make sure it's properly washed and properly stored for each use. We have one of those that we used when we made our sorrel too, when we strained it off. But here we go, freestyling today. Awesome. Now, if you like this video, remember to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. Until next time, see you. Ciao.